I heard if you took a date, stuffed it with a nut and peanut butter, closed it up, and then dipped it in chocolate, sprinkle some coarse salt, and place in the freezer, that they're supposed to taste like a Snickers bar.
When a skinny person tells you it tastes exactly like a Snickers bar, I always have a healthy level of skepticism. But it's my job to taste the recipes on the internet, so here we go. So first date, then nut, so good date. Then peanut butter, roll it around in some melted chocolate, then sprinkle with some salt to finish. And at this point, it's looking like something your toddler would leave behind in your bathroom. But just after 15 minutes in the freezer, now it looks like something your toddler left behind in the bathroom, but frozen. I was adamant that I was not going to enjoy this, but to my surprise, they're actually really, really good. And I highly recommend you make these. Definitely reminiscent of a Snickers. I think it could be improved if you had a mold and you were able to sort of adjust the ratios a little bit, have a little bit more nut. I will say, go heavy on the salt. It's key. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, follow along so I can make more internet recipes. Okay, love you, bye.